Okay, today we have this remote control robot, and it came in a window display box originally. As you can see there, it just says remote control robot, made in Hong Kong. Can't tell you a whole lot more about it. Two Penlight batteries fit inside this remote. Fairly short wire, actually. It's interesting in that the button is super sensitive to touch to get to work. I mean, you could probably blow on it and get that to turn on. But you see the mouth opens, the arms move, it locks, and it makes a screeching sound. It's actually kind of an interesting robot from all the actions that it has.